There was a season in my journey as an artist when I was searching for clarity. I was painting regularly, I was experimenting with landscape painting techniques, but I felt like I was missing a deeper understanding of what I was trying to create. I needed something beyond a step by step landscape tutorial. I needed guidance in understanding light, how it shapes mood, how it creates depth, and how it carries emotion through a painting. Mastering Luminous Landscapes is the course I wish I had during that time. This is a comprehensive online course designed to help you paint luminous sunsets, aurora borealis, and ethereal landscapes with confidence. We begin with mindset because growth as an artist starts with how you see yourself and your work. We look at preparation, materials, and studio practices that support clarity and consistency. We talk about efficient workflows that help you paint with focus rather than frustration. Then I guide you through my full painting process. We start with acrylic underpainting, building structure, texture, and atmosphere. From there, we transition to oils where layering and glazing allow light to move through the surface and create depth. Throughout the course, the focus remains on understanding light. Light is what gives a landscape its emotional presence. When you learn how to see and paint light, your work begins to feel spacious, ethereal, and alive. If you feel drawn to painting luminous skies, quiet horizons, or the magical glow of an aurora, and you want your work to evoke stillness and emotion, this course is for you. It's a framework I use in my own practice, and I invite you to journey through it with me, step by step, layer by layer, as I guide you in mastering luminous landscapes.